In this video, you'll learn how to connect YesCoin to your OKX wallet. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to establish this connection smoothly and efficiently. To begin, open the Telegram application on your device, locate the YesCoin bot or app within your Telegram contacts, or search for it using the search bar at the top of the screen. Once you find it, tap on the YesCoin bot to launch the interface. After the YesCoin interface loads, navigate to the section that may be labeled Wallet, Airdrop, or Withdraw. The exact name can vary, so look for the option that best resembles wallet management. Once you identify the correct section, tap on it to proceed. Next, locate the option labeled Connect Wallet within the wallet management interface. This option is essential for linking your YesCoin account with your OKX wallet. After tapping Connect Wallet, a list of compatible wallets will appear on your screen. From the list, select OKX Wallet to initiate the connection process. If you do not see OKX Wallet listed, you can opt for Wallet Connect as an alternative. This option allows you to connect to various wallets using a QR code or a deep link. Once you've selected your preferred method, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection. Depending on your choice, you may need to confirm the connection within your OKX wallet, so ensure you have access to that wallet during this process.